Alright, here we go. Got the 6.5 Grendel. These are Hornady SSTs in, well, I'll tell you, in 123 grain. And we're doing the simulated shoulder shot. And we're going to just see what kind of damage we do, and we'll bring it back to you. Got the new and improved simulated shoulder shot for y'all. So here we go. Hornady 6.5 Grendel. Doing a simulated shoulder shot here, and what we got going on is we got clay on a little board simulating a muscle tissue shoulder blade. Then we have the Smoky Oaks new and improved ballistics gel to simulate internal organs, and what it consists of is beans, rice, flour, and jello. And it is nice and firm, and it will give it that solid texture as it's going through organs, because you know, your heart, your lungs are different textures, different strengths, and everything like that. So hopefully the beans and rice will suffice. That's why we're calling this one Spilling the Beans. Alright, here we go. Got the simulated shoulder shot that we're doing. This is Hornady SSTs in 6.5 Grendel, not the Hornady Black this time. Oh my gosh! But it is it's shooting out a little bit faster, and we're going to take a simulated shoulder shot, hopefully catch a bullet, and bring it back to the table. Definitely blew up everything. Got an indention solid where the bullet was going, and we're coming out. This one's dirty. That's the that is actually kind of crazy. That's the entrance hole going in, blowing back out on that meat. So that is definitely interesting. Oh, here it is. Saved by the duct tape, though. Here we go. Got the results of the shoulder simulation with the Hornady 6.5 Grendel. This is the entry wound, just to let you know. That is a big hole going in, and I should turn that around so they match up. So there you go. But there you are. We got this. If you want to, just out of curiosity, go rim to rim on what this blew out. 1.43, and that would be our simulated shoulder blade back in there, which is right there. Let's see what kind of hole we got coming out. 0.54. And we got a bullet of 0.26. Yeah, well, 0.25, somewhere in there. My calibers are cheap, so there you go. And as we went through the internal organs, what do we got left? We got the bullet going in. There's the hole after it went through. 0.59. And let's take a look at the bullet. Here, cleaning all. I'm not, well, shit. I'm just knocking y'all all over the place. I'm just a rude son of a bitch. There you go. I'm not gonna get the whole, all the clay off of it, out of it. Go with the widest, 0.48. And if you go on the narrow side, 0.36. Got 58.8 grain. Now that's with that clay and stuff in there, so probably a 0.5, 0.45, something like that, in that neighborhood. Oops. So there you go. That is the Hornady SST 6.5 Grendel shoulder shot simulation. So that's what's left of that bullet after going through a shoulder. Gives you an idea.